Teacher Precious, and welcome to Art Smart! When you say tetrad, what does it mean? Ano kayang ibig sabihin ng tetrad? Tetrad means 4. So today we'll be learning about tetradic color scheme, and that means we'll be choosing or using 4 colors. Yes, so yung totoong meaning ng tetrad means 4 colors that are equally spaced around the color wheel. Okay? What shape can we form if we're gonna choose 4 colors daw? 4 na kulay na magkakasing layo sa color wheel. Anong shape ang nabuo natin? What shape could it be? What shape? What shape has 4 sides or 4 corners? Square. Usually, when you say tetradic color scheme, you're gonna use 4 colors that forms a square in the color wheel. So in here, what colors are, the arrows are pointing to what colors kaya? Mas orange, the yellow, violet, tsaka blue-green, di ba? Okay. Usually, it's a square, but sometimes can also be a rectangle, like this one. Yan, so yan. Kung saan nakaturo yung corner, yun yung mga colors na usually pwede niyong gamitin. Okay. And tetrads are usually also composed of 2 sets of complementary colors. Okay, di ba yung complementary colors magkatapat? So yung tetrad, gagamit kayo ng 2 set nun kasi nga 4 colors ang gagamitin natin, di ba? O pwede rin rectangle na shape, yun naman hindi equidistant, but it can also be called a tetrad. But you can use any material for today, but I'll be using mixed media again. So for today, we'll try to make, papakita ko lang muna ha. Diba, ito yung yellow. Gawa lang tayong color wheel. Try natin gumawa ng color wheel. Diba? Ito yung yellow. Huwag nyo muna, papakita ko lang muna. Yellow, di ba? Tapos ito yung yellow. I'll just show you what we're gonna use for today. Ito yung red. Red. Pakita ko lang ha. You don't need to do this first. Pakita ko lang muna yung paano nangyayari yung sa tetrad. This is blue, di ba? Ito yung ating primary colors. Okay? Then, if we mix here, blue and yellow, magiging green, di ba? Green, kagaya niyan. Ito ko lang ha. Yan. And then, dito naman, pag minix natin yung, what will happen if we mix red and blue? Sample muna to ha. Tingnan nyo. What will happen? What color can we make if we mix red and blue color? Purple, yes. Violet or purple, depende sa blue na gamit nyo. Then this time, what happens if I mix yellow and red naman? Pakita ko lang sa inyo ha, gawa tayong tetrad. Pag 6 colors kasi hindi tayo makakabuo ng tetrad. For this one, we'll be making tertiary colors too. Yeah. What will happen if we mix yellow and red? Will become, ano mangyari dito? Wow! Magiging color orange. Diba? Ngayon, these are the primary and secondary colors. But for this activity, we'll be making tertiary. That means, paghahaluin pa natin yung primary tsaka secondary. Okay? We'll mix them together. We'll try to mix yellow and green. What will happen if you mix yellow and green? It will be called the yellow-green. But, I'm just using 3 colors for now. Takpa ko muna to. Paano tayo gagawa ng yellow-green using only yellow and blue? What you do, gawa lang ako maliit dito ha. You'll still use yellow, but if you want yellow-green, pag nauna yung name, let's say yellow-green. The first color that's in the name, that means that's more dominant. Mas maraming yellow kesa green. Ay, sa blue. Yan. Konti lang lalagay yung blue. Just a little bit of blue so that, look up. If you look at this one, this has more yellow than this one. Ito kasi yung green. Ito yellow-green. Kailangan kontrolin nyo. If you're using colored pencils, ganun din. You just have to put more yellow and a little bit of blue para maging yellow-green. Okay, dito naman, green tsaka blue, magiging green-blue or blue-green. Mas sanay tayo tawagin blue-green. Yan. I'll put in blue, but I'll just add a little bit of yellow din. Tingnan nyo, ha? Oops, natandamihan ng yellow. Dagdagan pa natin ng blue para maging blue-green. Yan, tingnan nyo, di ba? Dito naman, mas madaming blue kesa sa red. Yan, di ba? And then here, mas maraming red kesa sa blue. Pwede nyo ito i-try sa paper din. Okay? Mixing colors. Tingnan nyo, I'm just using 3 colors for this one. And then red. Ito naman red. Tapos, konting yellow lang. Konting yellow. Dito naman, mas maraming yellow. Mas konting red. So, that's how you mix colors. Yan. See? Now, this will be the big ones, yung malalaki, ito yung primary and secondary colors. Let's try to recite them. This is yellow, yellow-green, green, blue-green, blue, blue-violet, violet, red-violet, red, red-orange, orange, and yellow-orange. Okay? Ngayon, for the tetrad, okay? For the tetrad, I'm gonna use blue-green. Gusto ko yung blue-green ito. Tsaka itong red-orange. I'll use this. Tsaka, so these are complementary colors. Pili pa akong isa. Itong violet tsaka yellow. Yan. For me, I will be using blue-green, yellow, red, orange, yellow, and violet. So, yan yung gagamitin kong colors. So, ready na ba kayo? Pakita ko lang ha. Blue, green, red, orange. You can choose a different color scheme, but make sure that they form a square. Tingnan nyo, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. Parang square na siya. Okay, so yan. So, ito yung gagamitin kong colors, ha? This is a type of Tetrad color scheme. So, are you ready? We'll start drawing. Mag-drawing na tayo. Okay, drawing tayo ng fishes. Start muna tayo mag-draw. With my pencil. Okay. Ito yung aking paper. I'll be doing it landscape. So, draw tayo ng simple fish lang. Kasi for beginners po tayo eh. But if you want to make it more complicated, you can add more details. How to draw a fish? So, I'll draw 2 fishes. Magkasalungat silang ganyan. So, here, let's try to draw a curved line. Parang letter S. Can you see it? Yan. Tapos, dito naman, try natin ganyan. Ganyan lang muna. And then, okay, we'll try to add other details. Dito muna tayo sa fins. Na hindi kailangan kamukha-kamukha. You can make your own kasi we're just practicing. Okay? Hindi naman po tayo nag-realistic painting. We'll add details like that. Yan nyo, ha? Like that. Okay. And then this. And then this. Okay. Then add lines. Gagawin natin yung fins. Your drawing becomes interesting if you add details. Okay. And then for the fins, look, you'll draw curved lines like that. Actually, pwede pa natin dagdagan. Nabitin ako. I want to add more. Yan. Pantay natin. Okay. And then for the tail. Yan. Yan. Bigyan nyo ng maraming lines na. You can make your own style. It can be, we're not making a realistic fish. Again, we're just making a simple illustration. Pwede nyo lagyan ng eyes. Pwede nyo lagyan ng mouth. Okay, and then let's do the other one. Later, we'll add the scales. Okay. Meron pa pala siya dito sa gitna. Top view tong fish na dinodrawing natin. Top view. Okay, let's try to draw the texture of the scales. Mamaya na lang siguro pag oil pastel. Pwede naman oil pastel later. Ina-alternate ko lang. Draw ko lang yung fish scales. Half circle yung ginagamit natin. Yan. If you're using colored pencil, you can trace this first. Trace nyo muna ng marker before adding the details. Okay, next, let's do the other one facing down naman. Gawa tayo ha. Okay, so for here, we'll try to make a fish that has the same size, but if it's not same size, okay lang. It's okay. It can be smaller, it can be bigger. So try to make a curved line. Imagine nyo, parang siyang pabilog. Okay. Okay, and then look, from here, you make like a teardrop. Ayun, parang patak ng water. Parang ganun, no? From that, and then look, they will meet here. Oh, di ba? And then, look, try to draw the eyes. Eyes can be bigger, ha? Pwedeng cute. Gagawin natin cute eyes. And then, let's try to draw the fins. Mukha tuloy siyang scared. Lakihan ko na lang yung eyes niya. I'm making a cartoon fish. 1, 2. Okay, and then let's try to create yung lines ng fins. Look, I'm making parallel lines. Curved parallel lines. Ibig sabihin parang they're equally distant. Medyo magkakasing haba sila. Okay, and then look, curved lines here. Then curved line, curved line, curved line. Okay, and then let's try to draw the tail. Tail nito. Look how I try to draw the lines. And then look, this one, drawin natin lagyan naman yan. Tapos draw rin tayo ng lines for the texture, di ba? Texture kasi habol natin. And then curved line like that. Lagyan nyo ng line here. And then curved lines for the scales. We're making the scales po. Yan. Like that. Like this. Like this. Trace ko siya ng oil pastel. Mix ko na lang yung red tsaka orange. Para yan. For the paint, I'll use red-orange. But for the oil pastel, since I don't have a red-orange oil pastel, I'll just use orange. So again, we're using the oil pastel resist technique. So the oil pastel prevents the paint from, we call it bleeding. Hindi dugo, bleeding kapag kumakalat yung paint. Kunwari, blue yung water. Tapos, pag wala kasing oil pastel or if it's still wet, pupunta yung blue paint dun sa fish. And magiging brown. Now, we'll try to add the texture of the scales. I'll be using white din. Some white. Pwedeng white, pwedeng orange. Yan. I'm adding texture. Also the eyes. Put white around the eyes. Lagyan nyo ng white around the eyes. Pwede nyo lagyan ng shiny. Hindi nyo nakikita. You can see it. But I'm actually adding white colors. Magic yan mamaya. Tingnan nyo, magic. Because white, this is an oil pastel. So this one I bought individually kasi naubos na yung white ko. You can buy this in the art store. And buy individually para tapos lalagyan, pwede nyo rin lagyan ng konting orange dito. Actually, pwede rin black. Tapos, adding texture. Because I'll be using blue-green, Pwede natin lagyan ng konting lines here. Okay, tapos, ayan. We'll try to paint na. So, I'll be mixing yellow-orange. Diba? Yellow-orange. How to make yellow-orange? Mix tayong yellow-orange. Let's start with the lightest color. Yellow-orange. Tsaka... we'll be using yellow for the tetrad. Yellow, tsaka red-orange. Yellow muna. Let's start with the lightest color. Alin dito yung yellow? I'll make this fish yellow. This one is red-orange. So, gagawin ko muna siyang more of yellow. Yan. See? Do you see the white? Oh, pastel. Yan. Gawin ko muna yung yellow. And this one, since I'll be coloring this one red-orange, still it has yellow. Meron pa rin siyang yellow, pero mas madaming red. So, gagawin ko dito, lalagyan ko na siya ng konting yellow. Pero, ito yellow lang. Ito, lalagyan natin ng konting red kasi red-orange. Okay, now, we'll try to make this red-orange. So, I'll be adding more red. Okay, when you get paint, be gentle. This. So, this is medyo red na siya. But, try natin pa rin siya i-blend. Okay? So this one, since medyo naparami yung red, I can remove it by dabbing my tissue here. So my brush is a bit dry and you can actually remove it. I'm using watercolor paper. So, because watercolor paper is very different from ordinary watercolor paper. Ordinary paper. This one, I'll just add a little bit of red para lang may konting kulay. But still, the color should be dominant yellow. Yan. Okay, now we'll be adding the next color. I'll mix yellow. Diba yellow? Yan, yellow. But we'll add some blue. Pero dapat mas maraming blue. Ayan, o, diba mas bluish na siya? I'm not sure if you can distinguish it, but it's a bit more bluish than your normal green. Ayan, diba? Ayan, mas bluish na siya. So, I'll use this to paint some parts of the water. Ayan, o, blue-green na siya, blue-green. So, this part, blue-green. And then, when you paint, make sure to paint all the edges. Dapat hanggang baba, huwag bibitin kasi it will look your work incomplete. I will alternate. This is blue-green. This is violet. This is blue-green. Okay. Okay. And then, for the violet, how to make violet? We mix red and blue, diba? Okay, there. Here. Finish na. Make sure to paint all parts. Actually, mas maganda to kapag mas darker. Pwede ko pang diinan. Ay, diinan. Lagyan pa ng mas madaming color. See? If I put more pigment, that means lesser water. Mas dark siya. Yan. Okay? Tapos na naman yung work nyo. Tapos na ba? There. Now, we're done with our Tetrad color scheme. Ayan! So, tapos na ba kayo? So, thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Know your art, be art smart.